Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss that has been making headlines in the world of military aviation. It appears that the United States is gearing up to demonstrate its highly anticipated sixth-generation fighter jet, which aims to replace the renowned F-22. Join me as we explore the reasons behind this decision and the potential implications it holds. Before we delve into the details, let's provide some context. The F-22 Raptor, developed by the United States, is a formidable fifth-generation fighter aircraft renowned for its stealth capabilities, advanced avionics, and superior air dominance. However, as technology advances and new challenges emerge, the need for a more advanced and capable aircraft becomes apparent. Air power has always played a critical role in military operations, and over time, aircraft have evolved to meet changing demands. The development of sixth-generation fighter jets represents the next phase in this evolution, aiming to push the boundaries of aerial warfare even further. One key reason for the United States' decision to demonstrate a sixth-generation fighter jet is the need to address emerging threats in an ever-evolving global security landscape. These threats could include advanced enemy air defense systems, hypersonic weapons, and cyber warfare capabilities, all of which demand a new level of sophistication in aircraft design. Stealth technology has been a defining feature of fifth-generation fighters like the F-22. However, sixth-generation aircraft are expected to incorporate even more advanced stealth capabilities, allowing for enhanced survivability and increased effectiveness in contested airspace. Another crucial aspect of sixth-generation fighter development is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI. AI technologies have the potential to revolutionize aerial combat, enabling faster decision-making, autonomous systems, and improved situational awareness. Sensor fusion, the integration and processing of data from various sensors, is a key focus for sixth-generation aircraft. By leveraging advanced sensor technologies and data fusion algorithms, these aircraft aim to provide unparalleled situational awareness to pilots, ensuring they have the most accurate and comprehensive information during missions. Long-range strike capabilities are crucial in modern warfare, and sixth-generation fighters are expected to push the boundaries of this capability further. These aircraft will likely have the ability to strike targets with precision from extended ranges, providing a significant strategic advantage on the battlefield. Developing a sixth-generation fighter jet is a complex and resource-intensive endeavor. To tackle this challenge, the United States has been collaborating with industry partners, including defense contractors, research organizations, and academia, to pool their expertise and resources in designing and testing these advanced aircraft. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest developments in military aviation, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss any future updates, analysis, and captivating discussions. So go ahead and click that subscribe button below. In conclusion, the United States' decision to demonstrate a sixth-generation fighter jet as a potential replacement for the F-22 signifies the ongoing evolution of air power and the need to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. By addressing emerging threats, incorporating advanced technologies, and focusing on enhanced capabilities, these aircraft aim to maintain air superiority in the face of evolving challenges. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to stay informed, stay engaged, and take care.